Hey everyone, welcome to Sunflower and Thyme Homestead. Today we are unboxing the Wolstead Palette Stand Mixer and the Wolstead 3-piece pasta roller attachment. Then we'll test it out by making some bread. When I was deciding on a new stand mixer, I was deciding between the Wolstead and KitchenAid. They were both on sale, with the basic KitchenAid being a little bit more expensive. I liked that the Wolstead had stainless steel accessories as standard. I had a quick look online, and at the moment the Wolstead Palette Mixer is actually on sale for $350. That ends on the 1st of September. There's quite a few different colours. I ended up going with the nougat because I might change the decor of my kitchen and I just wanted the mixer to be able to blend in. I liked that it was 1200 watts. The KitchenAid I was looking at was only 300, and I liked that I had lots of accessories with it. I really like that it's very easy to lift the Wolstead up and down, just that lever on the end. The other thing that I really liked about the Wolstead mixer was that it had an inbuilt scale, and that is going to come in really handy. When I bought the mixer, it came with a free attachment set. I chose the pasta attachment set. I haven't made pasta yet, but I'm looking forward to using this. When I have a go at making pasta, I'll pop it up on our channel. The other thing that I really liked about the Wolstead mixer was that it actually does take KitchenAid attachments. So when I'm looking for some more attachments down the track, at least I know that there's a few more options available. I added in 360 grams of warm water, eight grams of yeast, a pinch of salt, and a dash of olive oil. I started with 400 grams of baker's flour. I usually start with a little bit less than what the recipe says. The dough was still quite wet, so I added 100 grams of flour. knead the dough for 10 minutes. I oil a mixing bowl so the dough doesn't stick to the sides. Then I cover the bowl with a clean tea towel and leave for an hour. I watched a YouTube video recently that said to grease your loaf pan with butter. I've tried it a few times and every time the bread comes out super easy. I'll see if I can find the link to it and add it in the description below. Then I knead the dough to get all the air bubbles out. Then I cover and let sit for an hour. I preheat the oven to 180 degrees about 15 to 30 minutes before I put the dough in the oven. Then I bake the bread for 30 to 45 minutes. Thank you for watching. If you've got time, please like and subscribe and check us out on Instagram and Facebook. Have a great day. See you next time.